Hey everybody, welcome back. So, this thing is coming together pretty nicely, especially the body. Not so much the chassis, there's just nothing pretty about it. If you hear that ticking, that is raindrops outside. It just rained a whole lot. But anyway, yeah, so again, for you guys that may have missed it, this is my buddy build with Douglas over at Douglas's Model Garage's videos, and he and I are doing a Porsche 959 buddy build, and this is also a 2-for-1 special because this was my Porsche group build entry, and what better way to do it just to do two at the same time with the same kit. But anyway, so a super simplistic kit, the most simplistic kit I've ever built. Nothing to it, really. There's a nice body. It's really nice. Cool little body. The chassis is plain. That's it. Look at there. But those have nice wheels. The wheels and tires did turn out really nice. Painted those with AK aluminum. Got a little leather going on in the interior. And the paint, which is Cinnamon Stick by MCW. That turned out really nice. Got the windows in it. Got the rubber or the trim all painted black. So that's all looking good. It looks really nice. Got the windshield wipers on it just before filming this. Oh, they're the most hideous windshield wipers you'll ever see. I don't know what they were thinking. They're a little big, but that's how they're supposed to go. Look at these things. Gee, looks like that's Lightning McQueen. It's like you know, eyebrows or something. Yeah, you know what I mean? But yeah, got all the glass in it, got the headlights in it, the chassis. Woo, that's really nice right there. All I've really got to do now, I even put a rear view mirror in it. See that? Yep. I've got to put the little this glass deal right here. Goes across the back, but I've got to paint it. That's for your taillights, and then up front there's two little guys that go down here, and there's two little guys that go on the side, excuse me. So they see on the under the the mirror's got to go on it too. But yeah, and see the taillights. So that's really all that's got to be done, and I'll be complete with it. So this is gonna be a short video because it's like I don't really see any reason to, I don't know, let me see. It may be just as soon as I say stand by, this thing's done, but it may not. I don't know because I can't see the future, but we'll see. Stand by. Alright guys, well, I just decided to go ahead and finish it. There wasn't much left to do, and I just decided to go ahead and finish it. And just end it here. Pretty little car. I'm very proud of it. Turned out really nice. I just noticed something on the box right before I started videoing. More than 40 highly detailed injection molded plastic parts. Wow, more than 40. It couldn't have been more than 41. But yeah, it turned out pretty good. Like I say, most simplistic model I've ever built. The undercarriage, interior, and all that's super simple. But the body is the main focus on this one. And I couldn't be more proud of the way it turned out for what it is. It's got a great little stance. Everything fit just perfect. Almost fell together, sort of. But yeah, I like it. The last thing that I did was so these there's some little marker lights, or blinker marker lights right there. Got those on, painted them, you can't hardly tell it, but I painted them clear orange, Tamiya clear orange on the back side, so I guess you can see it there. And the front blinkers under the headlights, got those, they're painted with Tamiya clear orange on the back side. Did put the little Porsche decal on the hood right there. It's a little bright, but there it is. And oh, got the rear view mirror on it, which looks very out of place to me. A single rear view mirror, and the way it sits on there, it's like, it looks like almost crooked. But that's how it's supposed to mount. It's like crooked. Anyway, interior, it's for what it is. It looks good with the windows rolled up, so you can't really get a good look at anything. But I did, you know, the leather seats, they look nice. The front steering is posable. I've wiped this thing down. I don't want to touch it with my oily hands, but under the bottom, it's just nothing. I didn't even paint it. It's just the most unrealistic looking undercarriage. The center part missing. The switch would have been there for the you can see the gear, but anyway, the switch would have been there. I just didn't even put that in it. But anyway, windshield wipers don't look too bad. I was real critical. Oop. I was super critical of the windshield wipers, but they're not that bad now that I stand back and look at it. And I did also painted the taillight assembly. Oh, come on, come on, you can do it. Well, maybe you can't do it, but the wow, it's really struggling. Let me move this box. Sort of. So the taillight assembly, you see it's got red and orange. That's just a clear piece that you get that wraps around the whole rear. And oh man, the Porsche is decal. I put that on there. Really milky looking decal when you put it on, but that stuff kind of disappears after you dry it. When I do my decals, I just put it right into the I call it dehydrator, incubator. And some of you guys are like, that are new to the channel, are like, incubator? What the heck are you incubating? That's what I use as a dehydrator. I used to hatch a lot of little chickens, and I had several incubators that I used, and I just decided one day that I know it makes hot air, and it's got a little fan that circulates, and I'm like, shoot, that ought to work. And it works perfect for a for dehydrating or curing out paint. But anyway, MCW cinnamon stick is what this was. Turned out really nice. The wheels turned out great. I just think they look nice in aluminum. I think they turned out nice. So anyway, yeah, so this is my final for the buddy build with Doug Zinger over at Douglas Model Garage's videos. And he and I did this buddy build for a Porsche 959. He is building the Tamiya, which has probably 240 parts, where mine had 40. And he asked me if I'd do a buddy build with him, and I said absolutely. And also, I just kind of threw this in there as my my build for the Porsche group build over at Chuck's Hobby Spot, Lucas E Channel, BG Model Workshop. They had a group build, but anyway, it's a built kit, so that's what counts. It'll go on the shelf and look nice. And I appreciate you guys hanging out and checking it out. And if you've got one of these, like I say, it's a Gunzi Sangyo kit boxed by Testors. If you have one, literally, if you had like do the 24-hour group build or the 48-hour group build, it'd be a perfect car for that, because you really could build it that quick. It just takes no time at all. It just falls together. But yeah, anyway, it's done. I'll take some pictures of it, as always with my finals. I'll take some pictures and post at the end of the video. But hey guys, thanks for watching. I do appreciate all of your support. Thanks to Mark over at Hobby Nut Models for supporting me. Don't forget to go over to his website, hobbynutmodels.com, linked in the description of this video. Click on the link, carry you right over there, and check out what he's got to offer. Great MCW paint, Tamiya paint, spray cans, Tamiya spray bombs, spray cans, and all that stuff. He's got it all. Model kits, anything you need, go over there and check it out. hobbynutmodels.com, linked in the description of the video, as well as the Facebook group. It's there. If you're not a member of Model Car Videos Facebook group, go check it out, join. And to my Patreon members, thanks guys for all of your support. And most importantly, thanks to all you guys that watch these videos. If it wasn't for you, I'd get no views. So I do appreciate that. And you guys take care, and we'll see you really soon on something else. Got several builds on the bench right now, and a lot more kits I want to open up and check out. Anyway, guys, take care, and we'll see you on the next one. Stick around for the pictures. Bye.